Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
It is on fire.
Nana, you wanted the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, what y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making baked macaroni and cheese. I'll be showing you the ingredients in two parts. The ingredients that we're going to need today are a 16-ounce box of elbow macaroni. We need 16 ounces of shredded mild cheddar cheese, 8 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese, 8 ounces of shredded gouda cheese, and 8 ounces of shredded Colby Jack cheese. And guys, it's best to shred your own cheese. It melts better. We're also going to need 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 4 tablespoons of salted butter, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of dried mustard, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. You want 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder, divided, and also 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. To a pot of boiling water, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of my chicken bouillon powder. I'm going to go ahead and give that a stir. Now I'm going to add in my elbow macaroni. I'm going to go ahead and stir it, and we're going to let it cook for 9 to 11 minutes. Now to a small bowl, you want to add in your chicken bouillon, your black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, your dried mustard, and also your smoked paprika. And we're just going to go ahead and mix it until everything is well combined. Then you can set it to the side. Once your macaroni is done cooking, you want to go ahead and drain it and set it to the side. Now to a heated saucepan, you want to add in your 4 tablespoons of butter. We're going to let that melt. Butter has melted. We're going to add in our 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. You want to just go ahead and continue to stir. After about a minute or so, we're going to slowly add in our milk a little at a time, and you want to go ahead and whisk it. You want it to be nice and smooth. You want to make sure everything is nice and smooth. You don't have any lumps. Now we're going to add in our heavy cream. You can go ahead and whisk that together until well combined. Now we're going to add in our seasoning. You can go ahead and mix that until it's well combined also. We're going to add in our cream cheese. You want to mix it until it's melted. Once it's melted, you can go ahead and add in your sour cream. You want to mix it until it's well combined. And guys, as you can see, it's already getting nice and thick. Okay guys, now you can go ahead and give it a taste. And if you need to add anything, you could do it now. So now I'm going to add in half of all of my cheeses. So this is our mild cheddar cheese. Remember, you're only adding in half. I'm going to add in half of my Colby Jack, half of my mozzarella cheese, and half of my gouda cheese. Now you just want to mix it until all the cheese has melted. Okay guys, look at this. It tastes amazing. So now I'm going to add in my elbow macaroni. You could turn your heat off. And guys, you could set your oven to 350 degrees. Okay guys, I had to get a bigger pot, so I'm going to go ahead and pour my cheese mixture over top of my macaroni. Now we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. You hear that, guys? This is going to be so good. Okay guys, now you want to get a baking dish and you want to lightly spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. Once you're done, you can add your macaroni and cheese. Okay guys, now you want to get a bowl and we're just going to empty in our leftover cheese. Now you just want to go in and mix it all together. Now all I'm going to do is put my cheese over top of our macaroni and cheese. I'm going to make sure it's covered nicely. Once you're done, we're just going to take some paprika and we're going to sprinkle it over top. Now it's ready to go into our 350 degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, our baked macaroni and cheese is out the oven. Look how nice that came out. So now I'm going to let it cool off. Okay guys, so look at this. Look how good that looks. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. Get a cheese pull. This is so good, guys. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. This is really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?